Y'all, chickens aren't smart. They are out in the rain. Look at Polly. She's just a mess. I don't get it. Look at her. Holly. Now, most of them are underneath the coop. Or we have this huge 10 by 10 foot section that is completely dry. It's hard to see because I don't have lights on out here. But look at these wet chickens. They're crazy. Luckily it's hot because it's Florida, so they'll dry pretty quick, but they just don't care. Americana is just soaked, and she's gonna probably go out there again in a minute. I don't understand it. Crazy girls.